Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now summer is a great time. It has longer days, which means we can start our work early and finish on time. We can look cool without having to wear a lot of clothes. And of course there's summer vacation, which means we can eat a popsicle every day. At least this is what me and my son do. Now I know that there are a few not so cool things about summer also. So I thought, why don't I make a video and talk about some of my summer essential tips and hacks. A few tips which keep me running through these hot summer months. I hope you find them useful. And so without further talking, let's get started. Now, tip number one. I know it's crazy hot weather and all our makeup tends to melt. These are some of my makeup hacks which are very basic. Before applying makeup, what I do is I rub a few aloe vera ice cubes on my face. Now it's really simple to make them. All I do is I take some aloe vera gel, mix it in water and let it freeze. Just like normal ice cubes, I rub them on my face and you will automatically see that your pores are kind of, they reduce, at least for the time being they reduce, and your makeup will definitely last longer. So try this hack. It's really helped me. I hope you find it helpful as well. Now another thing is swapping your foundation for a BB cream. BB creams are much lighter on the skin, and if you don't have a BB cream, you can add a little bit of moisturizer to your foundation. This way you apply less product and of course a very thin layer gets applied. So yeah, that's another thing that I try and do, especially in this super hot weather. Try using more waterproof products, whether it's your mascara or your blushes. I love using a tint for my face and on my lips, and sometimes I put the same tint on my eyes as well. All you have to do is put a few dots literally on your face and on your lips, and literally this will last you the entire day. And it will not run out, no sweat will run this off, and it will give a very natural look, which I really like. Let's start with a few skin hacks. Now we all experience tanning in these hot crazy summer months right now. What I like to do is I love using masks, and most of the masks I make at home. Now my favorite is the Upton, and I think it works absolutely wonders. At least for me it works wonders. How I like to make it is I take a little bit of besan and I add a little bit of yogurt and a pinch of turmeric in it. Make sure that you don't add a lot of turmeric because otherwise your skin will become yellow. Now I mix it and then I put it on my face, leave it for 5 or 10 minutes and just scrub it off like an exfoliator. This will also take away the dead skin and it will give you a beautiful glow. And you can also do this on any other part of your body, not just the face. You can put it on your arms, you can put it on your neck, or wherever you feel there's tanning or some pigmentation. I think this is an absolute amazing mask which we have been using for many years now. And you can just use aloe vera gel as it is and apply it on your skin before sleeping or in the morning, because this will also kind of soothe your skin, or especially wherever you're experiencing some sunburn or that crazy itchiness that you get in summer months. This is what I do. I even put it on my son also. I think it's a very effective product. So aloe vera is like my number one thing. Also make sure that you moisturize your skin. Yes, I know it's summer, but that doesn't mean that your skin doesn't need moisture. It needs all the more moisture. Your skin is going to feel dry and itchy. So make sure that you put lots and lots of moisturizer on your face and on your body. If you have oily skin, then use an oil-free moisturizer, but be sure that you do moisturize your skin. And another thing that you have to do is use a sunscreen before stepping out. At least this is what I do. You don't have to use a lot, so the right amount to use, approximately 1 teaspoon is what you have to put on your face, and then accordingly on your body. And you have to use a sunscreen not just before stepping out, but also while you're at home. Yes, like I'm sitting here, I might feel that I'm indoors and the sun has nothing to do with me, but no, the sun's rays can still reach me. So be sure, make sunscreen a part of your morning routine, that whenever you wash your face and put some moisturizer, you have to finish it off with a sunscreen, because I think it's an absolute must. Especially in summer. So yeah, this is one thing that really works for me. Now, another important thing is underarm care. I know we all love wearing, cut sleeves, especially in summer months, but a lot of us suffer from underarm pigmentation, at least I do. What I like to do is I create my own DIY mask for my underarm also. What I do is I take a little bit of baking soda, add a little bit of lemon and a little bit of coconut oil in it. Now, because baking soda and lemon both have natural bleaching properties, together the mixture works wonders on the underarm area. That I mix it and then I apply it on my underarms for about say 5 or 10 minutes, and then after that I just normally just scrub it off, and you will definitely see the color of your underarm changing. It'll be slightly more brighter, and you can also apply just baking soda, but I don't do it because my skin feels dry after that. But again, I like to mix these two with coconut oil because coconut oil gives me that moisture to that pack. And it's very comfortable. Try this, it really helps. There are also a few underarm brightening creams available in the market. Now, I have been trying this underarm cream. It's by this brand called Cura. It helps get rid of the rashes that you get in your underarm area. It also gets rid of the black spots and the pigmentation that you have. So it kind of evens the underarm area, and also has really cool ingredients. Now this one has lacto, it is paraben and color and artificial fragrance free. It has some really good ingredients like glycerine, it has aloe vera extracts and lavender oil, and it has lactocalamine, which is again a very soothing thing for your skin, especially in summer. Now I'm all about using DIY masks for your face and for your body, but sometimes we're in a situation where maybe not a lot of these ingredients are available to us. If you're living in a hostel, or if you're traveling somewhere, you're on a vacation and you can't get your hands and you can't find those home remedies, then I think this is something that you can definitely try. I have been trying it and I have definitely seen good results. I'm gonna put the link of this product in the description box for you guys to try it. Now, as far as tips on fashions are concerned, then I think they're very simple. Make sure that you wear more of cotton clothes. I'm not wearing cotton right now, but that's because I've had to sit here and do a video. But yeah, on a day-to-day life, on a daily basis, I prefer wearing cotton and organic clothes because try wearing more breathable fabrics because you will sweat less and you'll be more comfortable. Don't wear something that's really tight if you haven't yet done that. Of course, always carry your shades with you, your sunnies with you. I always carry them in my bag. In fact, I have one in every bag of mine if I forget, because I just can't do without wearing sunglasses if I'm out, because sun's rays are not good for your eyes, they're not good for your skin, they're not good at all. So protect your body from those damn sun rays and protect your eyes by wearing sunnies. And yeah, another tip which is not fashion beauty related is waking up early, guys. It's summertime. It gets really hot during the day. It gets ridiculously hot throughout the day. So the best time to exercise is in the morning or maybe late in the evening, but I prefer doing it in the morning. I'm an early riser. Try and wake up early for exercise. If you wake up at 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock in winters, try 6 o'clock in summer, because I think that's when the sun is not that's when it's the perfect weather to kind of go for a run, because otherwise after 8 or 9 o'clock you're gonna just you'll be like, I cannot do this. So yeah, try waking up early, and of course you have longer days, so you have more time to kind of finish up your tasks. But for exercise, I would always recommend to wake up early, because at least that's what I do. So this is it for the video, guys. I hope you guys had fun watching it and you found it useful. Do let me know in the comment section below which were the tips which you found really useful, or if you have any tips for the hot summer months, then definitely share them with me. I would love to know your tips and hacks. Also, I will put the link of the Cura underarm cream in the description box for you guys to check it out. And yeah, if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and guys, please subscribe to my channel. We are already about to hit 250,000 and we need to get to 300,000 this month. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I put up a video here. That's all I have to say, except I love you all and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye and happy summer.